start crying, I feel bad. Okay, well, we'll leave it wrapped up a little bit.
And I'll stay out of the way, so just show me. Time for your first bath, baby Thomas. She's gonna give you your first bath. Your first bath. Yeah. Let's look at your little feet. Look. Here's my finger. Your little toes. Oh. Oh, you mean like... Let me just stop.